Looking for quick and delicious ways to cook eggs in your air fryer? In this video, I'll show you 4 easy recipes that are simple to make, packed with flavor, and perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a tasty snack. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the air fryer. Take out the grill rack or the cooking tray and lightly spray a thin, even layer of oil onto the surface. This simple step is important because it prevents the egg from sticking and gives it a nice, clean finish. Next, take your egg and gently crack it directly onto the tray. There is absolutely no need for parchment paper or any extra tools here, which makes this method incredibly convenient and mess-free. Once the egg is in place, slide the tray back into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. Since every air fryer is a little different, I recommend checking the egg at the 6-minute mark and adjusting the time to suit your preference. When it's finished, you'll see the egg white is fully set while the yolk stays soft and perfectly runny. The texture looks absolutely wonderful. You can enjoy it just as it is, or serve it alongside a slice of warm bread, roasted potatoes, or even a light salad. It's a quick and delicious dish that fits perfectly into any meal of the day. For our second dish, we are making a beautiful cloud egg. First, carefully separate the egg white from the yolk. Place the egg white into a bowl or a tall cup and add a dash of salt. Use a whisk or a hand mixer to beat the whites until they become light, fluffy, and form soft peaks. This is the secret to achieving that airy, cloud-like texture we want. Now gently spoon the whipped egg white onto your air fryer tray, shaping it into a small, rounded mound that looks just like a soft cloud. Using the back of your whisk, press a small indentation into the center, then carefully nestle your egg yolk right into that spot. Once you are ready, slide the tray into the air fryer and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for about 7 minutes. The whites will turn a beautiful light golden color while staying soft and fluffy. If you prefer your yolk to be a bit runnier, you can try cooking just the egg white for 5 minutes first, then add the yolk and cook for a few more minutes. This method gives you better control over the yolk's consistency. When finished, you are left with a light, airy egg that truly looks like a small cloud. The yolk is delicate and soft, making this an eye-catching and delicious choice for a cozy breakfast or a special brunch with friends. Now for something completely different that is perfect for serving guests: soft egg cups. These are an ideal appetizer for small family gatherings. Start by preparing a few heat-resistant molds and lightly grease them so the eggs won't stick. Then, line each mold with a slice of bacon, ham, or even bread. Gently press the meat or bread down to shape the cup. Next, you can sprinkle a little shredded cheese inside to add richness and a beautiful melted texture. Carefully crack 1 egg into each cup, trying to keep the yolk right in the center so the final dish looks as appealing as possible. Place the cups into the air fryer and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 11.5 minutes. You can easily adjust the time based on your preference. A shorter time keeps the yolk soft and slightly runny, while a little longer will result in a more fully set yolk. Once they are done, let them cool for just a moment before gently removing them from the molds. You'll have cute, flavorful egg cups that are both savory and impressive. Serve them with a side of fresh green salad for a simple, delicious, and nutritious appetizer that your guests will absolutely love. Our final dish is a fun and delicious treat: crispy breaded eggs made right in the air fryer. Instead of boiling them the traditional way, place 4 eggs directly into your air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for about 8 minutes. This cooks them to a soft consistency with a slightly runny center. Once they are done, drop them into cold water to cool. Then gently peel off the shells, being extra careful since the eggs are still delicate. Now it is time to prepare the coating. Set out 3 bowls, one with flour, one with a beaten egg, and one with breadcrumbs. Take each peeled egg and roll it in the flour first, Then dip it into the beaten egg and finally coat it thoroughly with the breadcrumbs. These 3 layers are essential for creating that perfect, crispy outer crust. Once your eggs are evenly coated, place them back into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 5 to 9 minutes, depending on how crispy you like the exterior. I recommend checking on the eggs halfway through to ensure they are browning perfectly and to adjust the time if needed. When they are finished, carefully remove the eggs. You will see a beautiful, golden brown, crispy exterior while the inside remains soft and delicious. When you cut one in half, you will clearly see that light, crunchy coating on the outside and the warm, slightly runny yolk waiting inside. It is a simple, comforting, and truly tasty dish that rounds out our 4 healthy air fryer egg recipes. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these easy air fryer egg recipes helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.